This is how to get a 5 on the AP Calculus AB exam with the least amount of studying possible. Also, this is the exact same strategy I used last year to help me get a 5 on the BC Calc exam, so listen up carefully. First off, you need to focus on getting the basics down. Things like limits, basic derivative rules, and basic integration techniques. Other words, units 1, 2, and 6. Then, when you have that firm foundation, look at more advanced derivative techniques like quotient rule, product rule, and chain rule, which are units 2 to 3. Specifically chain rule because you're going to need that all over the test. Then focus on USUB in unit 6, which is the only advanced integration technique that you're going to need in AB. Personally, I say USUB is super important and something you should know because it does show up quite a lot on the test. If you have time after getting all of that stuff down, look at contact stuff like PVA, related rates, and accumulation, which are units 4, 5, 7, and 8. College Board's past FRQs are great for practicing the context things, and you can also use Khan Academy for practice problems on the MCQ. But the most important thing that I can't stress enough is that to get a 5 on the AP exam, you only need to get like 65% of the questions right. So basically, that means don't waste your time studying on one little thing. You just need to learn as much information as possible. Let me know in the comments what other AP exams I should cover and follow me for more.
So he's 100% correct. Most of my students are in disbelief when I share with them that they only need to get around 65% of the questions correct to score a 5 on the AP Calculus exam. But here's the thing. You need to know the foundations of AP Calculus, but where most students go wrong is that they don't score 5 because they don't know all the things that's necessary before calculus. So the pre-calculus, the algebra, the trigonometry, those are the things that I see students struggle throughout the entire course, and it's a big reason why they come up short of the 4 or the 5 on their exam. Outside of that, I encourage all of my students to really focus in on units 4, 5, and 6 because those are the more application-based problems. A lot of students will understand the basic derivatives, but they lack in the skills to do some of the more difficult related rates problems or optimization problems, and that is going to be the thing that most students struggle on the exam. Follow me for more AP Calculus content just like this, or share it with a friend if you thought this was helpful.